Welcome back to our Cherokee National Forest Adventure Series. In this video, we're once again off into the forest roads within the mountains with the ultimate goal of finding another awesome, cool Riverside campsite. So sit back, watch the video with us, and enjoy some of the cool spots, mountain overlooks, and scenery that we get to see as we try to fulfill that ultimate goal of another Riverside campsite.
Alrighty, so we're on what's called McFarland Road. I'm not sure what Forest Road is. I'll look it up, put it down below here. But we're up on a ridgeline here, and it is amazing. What a view. Scaring the hell out of Laura, but what a view. There's the bison. All good. And then look at this. This is beautiful. Now, there has to have been some storm or something that's come through this area recently, because there are just a lot of downed trees. The Forest Service has come through recently and really reopened this road, I guess, and cut them. But look at this view. That is just amazing.
We've passed through Tellico Plains and now we're driving along the Tellico River. We're looking forward to coming across the Bald River Falls, which should be right up here pretty closely. And then once we've done that, we'll make our way towards camp. So we're looking forward to a great night's sleep next to a river in an awesome campsite.
Alrighty, here we are. Look at these falls. This is the Rapid Creek Falls. This water is gushing. All the rains lately. We even have a smaller waterfall up the mountain looking great. What a great little stop. Coming down this road all the way along the Tellico River, and then this is what we get to see. Awesome. Hey everybody, it's Mark, Five Angels Outdoor. We're right here by the side of the river and getting ready to start our day. So I think today we're gonna do some more adventuring in the Cherokee National Forest. And I think with the intention today of being able to do the Witt Road off-road track. There's supposed to be like 6, 7, a lot of water crossings. So I really wanna focus on this Witt Road, make sure we hit there as we explore other places. Yesterday was pretty awesome, a lot of challenging, crazy high shelf roads and whatnot, but just a lot of fun. But so yeah, so today we'll play it by ear after we hit this Witt Road and we'll go from there. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Alrighty, we are off Lookout Mountain Road, and this is Wacheesi Mountain. So it's on a up and back type trail all the way to the top of the mountain. We stopped off here at where it looks like they got some cell towers going on. There's a nice grassy area to chill out, but basically you have a 360-degree view of the mountains, some great views, and it's pretty cool. Bison made it up fine. We're looking good. Laura was a little nervous, but other than that, Wacheesi Mountain, there and back trail, nice little view.
We are now making our way down from Wacheesi Mountain. As I said, this is a up and back trail. It's a single track, not a lot of room. Laura was quite nervous, especially with the fact that we did meet one vehicle on the way up and another vehicle on the way down, going the opposite direction. So it was a little tight trying to allow for the passing. We just happened to be in both situations, spots that allowed the vehicles to get around each other, but it didn't spoil our time. It was a little white knuckling on Laura's part, but other than that, it was great, worth the trip up the mountain, and interesting that there's a campsite way up at the top. Obviously, we weren't ready to camp, so we did not check it out. So thanks for watching. And this is where we're going to end this video. Thanks for watching. We had a great time on this day, starting off at a nice riverside camp, making our way up and through the mountains and seeing the awesome mountaintop views. We also got to do some great water crossings on Witt Road. And even here, we ended our day on Cane Creek Road. We dropped a pin. There's some gnarly roads up here. But now we have to head back and pick up our daughter in Pigeon Forge. So we'll save Cane Creek Road for later, and we'll look to come back to the Cherokee National Forest. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like here on this video, subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to bringing you more content.